Hello, my name is Nitin. Welcome to this new video. In today's video, I am trying to showcase the coffee machine project which I have already created. So for more details about this project, check out the description of this video. So in order to make the coffee, we need to start the machine first. So as you can see here, the current state is changed to starting, and then we need to fill up the tanks. Now we have all the ingredients for making the coffee. Now go to the make coffee method and you can enter the recipe name. So currently this project support both latte and cappuccino. So I will go with latte. So here you can see that the success flag is true. That means that the coffee is made successfully. Else it will show the error message.